Hi, this is a short tutorial video for Fashion AI Modelizer. This will help you to convert your flat lay or mannequin images into a real human form images. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can do this. So first you need to find those mannequin images. I have the list here, which I'll just upload. And depending on the product type, you need to select the option. So as this is a dress, I'll select dress. Uh, Adult, gender, female, ethnicity, let's say you want American. Front view, you click on generate. This is for the jacket, so I'll select jacket. Adult, this is male, and I'll select Indian and front view. Click on generate. Now this is a sari. Right now you can just select dress for that matter. Adult, this is female, and here you can select, let's say, Asian. Uh, Front view. I'm just going to show you how it looks like with different ethnicity. This is a t-shirt for a kid, male, and let's say this is European. In front view, click on generate, and this is a kurta set. I'll select kurta set. Adult, let's say female, and I would select American for an example. Front view and generate. Now, here you go. The images are ready. Okay. Okay. So this one was American. So we got an American model here. Okay. And then the Indian looks like the Indian face is cut here, but doesn't matter. You can click on generate again. Okay. If you don't see the face, you just click on generate again. So this is Asian. So this is how the Asian face looks like according to the AI. So if you're not happy with that, just select Indian again, click on generate. Okay. Now this is for the European kid. Okay, looks smarty. So, okay, one more feature here. If you have selected t-shirt or a top or a pant jeans, you'll see two options here. One would be the zoomed out image, one will be zoom in. So you can just select whichever you want to see here and download. So if you want to download this one, click on view comparison and you can download this. Okay. Uh, this is American. So it doesn't look like an American. Most probably looks like an Indian because the product is Indian. But we are still going to try something different. So just click on generate again. Let's see if it's generating European. So here, now you see here it is showing you the real form. Okay. Uh, let's click generate. This is European, more or less European. So depending on these options, you will get the results. Now, if I'm selecting Indian here, just one last try for your sake, and it should work. But the point here is that model's face doesn't matter. The overall quality of the image matters. So if you do the comparison here of the product, you will not see any change in the material that you are seeing on the left hand side. So this is the best part of it. So this is the first step where you generate the image. Now here you go, comparison. This is the Indian model. Okay. So this is how simple it is. No prompts, nothing. Just select the options and your work is done. And to check other video tutorials, you can just ask for the link or go to that tool and you'll find the demo link there.